Hello everyone, I hope all are doing good. In today's tutorial, you can see how to make this beautiful wooden tray with matching coasters. So let's begin this DIY. I have this leftover wooden piece which is already painted white. So I'm just cleaning the surface and applying the crackling gel. Spread the crackling gel wherever you want the crack effect and leave it to dry. Here I am applying the acrylic paint, and once dried you can see the cracks appear. While the wood dries, we can prepare our decoupage napkin. I'm going to cut out one napkin out of this four. Now separate the napkin from the layers so that you get the picture napkin alone. Here I want water from the napkin unevenly, so I am using a brush dipped in water to cut the picture out of it. Separate the portions which you do not want gently. Now you can see the uneven border. The paint on the wood is dried and you can now see the crack effects formed on the wood. Let's stick this motif with the help of Mod Podge glue. Using the brush gently, I'm going to stick this napkin into this wood. Here I'm using the same color paint to paint the border of the napkin so that it blends along with the background. I'm giving a brownish shade on the corner of this tray. You can either use a brush or a sponge for that. Now let's make this coaster ready. I have this old coaster lying around, so I'm going to repaint it to go with the tray. Now I'm adding more details to the tray using a stencil and the texture paste. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and ring the bell to get notified so that you won't miss out any of the videos which I post. And same way in the coasters too. Here I'm adding handles for the tray which I made out of air dry clay using the molds. You need to use a very strong glue to glue it to the wood. This beautiful tray with matching coasters is ready. Once it is completely dried, you can use varnish to protect the surface. Thank you for staying on this video till the end. Have a nice day.